Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to clear data in Excel with the three different ways. So let's start this in my Excel. So simply select the data. I just drag with the mouse and select here data and go to the home tab. In editing group have a clear option. Just click on this drop down arrow and click on the clear format. So here you can see the format is clear. And the second way is simply select the data. Again, go to the same option, Home tab, Editing group, click on the Clear option. Now I'm going to clear this content. Click on the Clear Contents. You can see the clear content is cleared. Okay. And the third way, in this data, you can see in product, coffee and tea have added the hyperlink. When I click on the coffee website is open. Okay. When I click on the tea website is open because here the hyperlink. When you keep cursor in, you can see the hyperlink is showing. Okay. So to clear this hyperlink, simply select the data. Okay. Go to the home tab. In editing group, click on the clear option. Okay. The clear hyperlink and remove hyperlinks, there are two options. When you click on the clear hyperlink, you can see the hyperlink is clear. Now you can't open the website. There is a no hyperlink is showing. Okay. Now I press the Control Z, undo the action. So I press here the Control Z, and you can see now in this data the hyperlink again showing. Okay. Now I select the entire data and go to the Home tab. In Editing group, click on the Clear option. Now I click on the Remove Hyperlinks. Okay, when you click on the remove hyperlink, you can see the hyperlink is removed and the data is converted in normal formatting. Okay, so this is a way you can remove hyperlink also. Okay, if you want to remove all data, all formatting, all content, so simply select the data and go to the same option, Home tab, Editing, and Clear. Click on the Clear and click on the Clear all. That's it. Your full data is clear. Okay. So this is a option to clear data in Excel. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.